Ngubani ndoda abafowethu isithule sikandaba? Umageba undaba ezitha uphunga kamalandela. Thina salandela inkomo zamadoda. Khalmesha. Isihloholo saba khatla khabuba khatla nabele sitharije breku. Alright sisehluvas la deep proof zone 1. Sizobona ubufelo umama kaAkani. Unomntwana ohluphayo ona 9 years. Cabanga tender age of 9. Lo mntwana uphuli, lo mntwana akamameli nasendlini ngoba akuna baba endlini. Alright akuna flop siyadwadla ke manje. Ghetto Professor GP Ma Orange Boss Ori Fruit and Veg General Potaski. Follow me.
Gama lami ubufelo Mahlo. I'm a 33-year-old. Ngihlala eDeep Kloof Zone 1205B. Ngina abantwana abayi-3. Oqala uAmukelang Mahlo, then kuze uAkani bese kube noLihumo. Okay, uAkani umntwana very hyper. Umntwana ohluphayo kanjalo, like he was just like any other kids up until azophume crèche aya for grade R. That's when we started ukubona ukuthi Akani has a problem. Mawukhuluma naye, he would shout, and then mawumkhuza futhi, he would repeat the same thing. And then esikolweni he's very abusive towards abanye abantwana. Uyashaya, Akani uyathukana. He doesn't know his age mates anymore. Coming, dumelang. Lekai.
Lekai.
Reteng.
Reteng. Re tswa ko Mojalav channel 157. Ngwana wa Tshwenya. Lebitso ke mang mama?
Ke nna Bofelo Mahlo, ke nna mme wa Akani.
Oh, Akani. Okay, no. Re ka dula fatshe ko kae o tlo re tlhalosetsa gore go etsagalang.
Okay, lekake.
All right. Okay, ra leboga ka go re fa ditulo re dule mo fatshe. Okay, without wasting any time, let's go straight to the point. Ore ngwaletso re biditse ke a pele ba gore o na le problem, o na le bothata. Ke eng bothata mama?
Okay, ke na le ngwana na le 9 years old. His name ke Akani Mahlo. He's a student go Bapedi Primary School. He's in grade 3. So bothata ba ngwana he's so bullied to a point of ring ko sekolong ba mo suspendile. And then since nze re thola di letter from grade R 1 2 till now baze ba mo suspenda gona lo ngwala di exam. Akani manje he's 9 years old. Behavior yakhe escalated to a point ongathi he's an adult. Shukuthi even nami mangikhuluma naye, you would see on his face ukuthi Akani maybe if ever he had powers angangishaya nami, because he beats. Last incident or akenelle ngwana ko di toilet trying to kiss the girl wakhona, like I'm forced and all that. So umntwana khona I managed to run away and report to the teachers. Ko sekolong ba mokuba, then ba mo khutlisetsa futhi abangona gore ngilibo osba he has a 16-year-old sister wa motshaba. Like Akani is very aggressive. Mina uyangisaba mina because of vele I'm very strict when coming to his behavior. And then when talking to others, you would see change a facial expression, ayenza abunqa, abusis, samphaphela, such things. Noma umuntu jwetsa ka maponisa ufa that look ya I don't care. And he's manipulative.
Uthi ukenele ngwana ko school go toilet ubekatsa kwenzakana ko toilet.
Yo naki thotse a call from ke le ko mmereko. But Akani was forcing himself to kiss that girl. Ngwanole then managed to at least amate atoko sekolong, I mean go toilet and report to the teacher. So kaya na ko sekolong ka re how ibile khola ka ithola from ko sekolong ba joditse my older brother hore yo mchana wa o yentse so. Then my older brother atla to reportela oswa ka monor ba re Akani o yentse so. Then naka ko sekolong ka re wa le samfounele ngwana ha yentse so because of king it's a sexual assault. They were supposed to give me a call le batswadi ba ngwanole but I never received the call from the school. Instead kutlile ka batho ba mo high, then naka kinga ka ya sekolong.
So ke yona accident e one yo
wa shapa
ko sekolong
every day o shapa bana ba batho. Even week before last but suspender mshapile ngwana batho ba re na rurugila le mkana. The mother had to go to school ka le banta abatlo shapa Akani so ko sekolong ba mo protect hore motswadi o ska mo shapa. So uthini growing up anyeke abe ubaba all right, he might be a party gangster. He might be into alcohol and drugs. He might think ukuthi ukushaya abafazi into right. He might even drop out of school.
How should be the, what might be the cause?
The cause of this, or maybe because of I was in an abusive relationship while aliting, but I moved out of yon completely. Then it's been 4 to 5 years agani asiko that environment because of the abuses to nidi hala the time nana level 2-3 then katswa mo kusali a atla ka Mosowetho ha gone motho a ntate le goreng o mo emisetsa tso ga gone motho a ntate le gore motla re a ka ne o bona ntse ka dietsang from ka mo gae ba so ne re nagana le di social media ka monkela phone ka monke like le montlung le TV ha isali because of report or maybe he sees these things when rona ha re sali so behavior akani go raksatse ba gore ke tla re yeah, ubaba khena ukhona empilweni yakhe even though mina naye we are no longer together but yena he's a present father. Whenever you call him umtshela ukuthi umntana oyenze sona so he'll be here. Umtshela ukuthi we need to go kuphi regarding umntwana, he's always here.
So wadula lena ko fatshe ubuelena, and how do you discipline him?
At first ne ke mo shapa ke bona hore behavior ya high like ya irritate ka re go dula ona le di complaints ka montle ka mo har. Then my sister and are stop who is saying Umoshape, Missanyan Galto, are Buelian. How well and I wouldn't answer you. Instead, you call Mautala Panzukulumanaye, he would act lost as if I understand the next. Akbuza a very funny question now that you would to Lomtana Unyenzi Slim. And then Guabane, other situation no but the report then I'm shy. Like me, I would beat him. I don't want to lie. Yeah. He would make a fool out of you. Like I beg others to understand the next.
So good na lima mo.
I would do last somewhere cause on 3.
So I try discipline.
Babuali agani every time. Agani neli na mutwe fela ki mo shapileng mo lifing. The rest of us mo imisetse matso. Mangi ngekho and somebody else asks him, he would say it's the relationship that my mother was in the previous years. At him affected because of yes, I was once in an abusive relationship, but ngashesha ngaikhatha because ngibona ukuthi is not healthy anymore.
Okay, yena akani.
Oh, thank you, Monfu.
I relatele yena mama. Story sa ukagala straight to the point. Ke ngwana sto tu re bone gore ro thusa jwang.
Okay.
Nalizela ka kya kan kidulale mama kala inte akala usaka la utu akala usoko mia.
Yawa. Well, the story. Yeah?
So.
Sorry, King, sorry.
Why you so good?
Papa kakala sabra mama kopila.
Yeah? Yanung kiona pizza khurube stout. Yeah? Yanung papa khawa shapa mama khawa kopila khawa. Luela o shapa batho ba bang. Ba shapa bana ba bang ko sekolo. Khuluma wala. Yeah? Yeah? Hey, are batle sorry re batlo tseba gore why?
Why you babet?
Why?
Mantswenya.
Ba o tshwenya ba etsang?
Bankala.
Ba o kala ba reng? Yeah? Ba be ba o kube ko sekolong.
Mama kuntlise ditso o biditse batho bangwana tsenya because of ke tswenya. Kuntlung ka motho wa le na kgato gasa.
Dem kondis. Dem konane.
Khona ibest ba?
Yeah, bengayibambela abantu.
Why you yeah? Khoma, yeah? Kwenzakalani ngawe? Yeah?
Mamela mo.
Khonza lento ngaphandle lapha.
It was umlahlela phezulu like he's my only son.
Yeah.
Adigna kan ko baton la khela kwa. Benga yazi ukuthi amantombazana asayisonga.
Yawa, wawungelela amantombazane toilet.
Nakutsoke nditsheleti ngicabanyana.
Why ungelela abantwana manje?
Ufuna rape umqaliso. Mamela la, hlala la.
Khuluma into ezwakala ngasifuthi.
Khuluma into ezwakala. Yawuza saswana. Yeah? Uyangazi mina. Uthi ngubani? Yeah? Usithwala kabo.
Dala wena.
Mamela la. Usitshela inkinga yakho ukuthi yini inkinga yakho, yes? Wangakhulumi ukuthi yini inkinga yakho. Amampela. Sokulahlela phezu kwalendlu yakini. All right.
Damn it.
Asiqale, asusu. Wawushaya abanye abantwana esikolweni.
Ubaba mbekazana mama banga mina bengayazi ukuthi abantu abashayiwe.
Oh, ufunde kubaba bakho ukuthi abantu bayashayina.
Gekhola gale kubone papa ka shapa mama. Gala batla le go mtlhaba. Ka thipa.
Manje uma bakuqosha esikoleni ucabanga ukuthi uzofunda kuphi wena?
Angiyazi.
Ucabanga ukuthi uzoba yini uma ukhula la? Angithi bakuqoshile esikoleni, bakususpendile. Manje ufuna ukuba unyawuphi? Ufuna ukudonsa itroli? Uyazi ukuthi uma uyekela isikolo kusasemanje ukuthi uzodonsa itroli ubheme inyawuphi?
Ufuna lokho?
Ufuna lokho? Ubani lo?
Mama.
Wayengubadelela la endlini ungabamameli. Ngoba abafazi. Ubaba wena la endlini.
Ke mbamela mara ga ke tlatse diteki ke re akwahle.
Why usokolisa akani? Khuluma damn it.
Mamele la. Yabona umama wakho asifonela futhi asitshela ukuthi uqalile wena. Ushaya abantwana esikolweni. Ustowed man.
That's uzonya wena.
Sizobuya sokise ehlathini. Sikubophela istake la ugijimiswe yinja the whole day.
Mara wena ufuna induku wena.
Lo ufuna induku lo.
Lo ufuna induku letha leli bench leli. Letha leli bench leli. Letha leli bench. Letha leli bench leli. Lona lo ufuna induku lo. Letha leli bench leli. Ngeke nje size sigala ingane. Boss, uzolala la. Uzolala la ibenchini. Boss, lala la. Lala la ibenchini ubheke phansi. Awukhumula ibhande lapho. Ngeke sidlalele ngane.
Ge bampe ya ko benching bantshale ba ntagale ke tshogile.
Lala phansi wena.
Shona khona. Damn it. Shona khona ebenchini. Ngeke sidlale wena. Uzophinda uhluphe. Uzophinda uhluphe. Ngeke usaphinda uhluphe.
Uyoyenza yini ukuthi ungasayenza?
Uzoyenza yini ukuthi ungahluphi?
Khuluma damn it.
Ngeke uphinde uhluphe.
Awufuna ukushaywa. Uyigwana nokuba yigwana.
Uyahlupha kodwa.
Sorry baluma ngisahlupha.
Angeke usahluphe.
Ngeke usahluphe. Siyazwana.
Phinde wenze lo dot uzoligibela leli bench. Sikushaye ne? Okay.
Sokushaya ngemvubu hayi bani.
Uyazomela size nemvubu.
Soza neshambo.
Ne? Uzwini?
Yazi shambo. Ubuyela esikolweni uyahamba uyofunda.
Uzosinda ngoba uthi ngeke usahlupha ihlahla lapha esitulweni. Phinde uhluphe dot.
Mtshela umama wakho ukuthi ngeke usamhlupha. Umtshela ukuthi ucela ukolo.
Then ko sekolong ro etsa jwang taba ro felletse di exam. Bana ba ba hlophileng ko sekolong, what's going to happen to them?
Ke ba shapa because of le bona ba tla ka scheme after ba tlompakanyela. After ma ke ba tshwara mang ka tshwariwan go ba paisa ka mo ke bona ba nqadileng.
Khuluma.
Ngizokho
Uzothi sorry kubani?
bantu laba ngibathukileng.
Siyamphanisha ukuthi ustowed.
Ne?
Ya. Simphanisha ukulingana neminyaka yakhe.
Ne?
Siyazwana mqondisi?
Hayi njalo.
Akube njalo.
Ya.
Up.
Sukuma mfana.
Wasala.
Sa jacket.
Khumula ijacket.
Ya.
Ka ba ba tong ke tsa punishment gale ke nagana go ba ankere ba itse ba tong kuisa konteng after ba ntshore ke mathi gale ke nagana go ba tong kuisa konteng.
Sifuna ukumkhipha lo sathani usala uNkulunkulu la.
Sesemncane for ukuba noSathane onje ushaya
abantu. Uncane so.
Yes. Ujumpa so. Uyakuleya camera manje lapha. Yabona? Good morning camera. Ne? Asi. Akusheshe. Yes. Number 1.
Good morning, Carmen.
What?
Ga ba nketsitse exercise ga le go sena e leng phetsa ga le dire tlhoko kaofela.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, ha ke mmona a gym ne. Okay, at first the frog jump yeah, ko sekolong they do that as part of the exercise. Mara ha ba qala ho mo shapisa di push up yo ka jogare. Now he's being crucified, but in a good way though.
Yeah, bonus push up to shower.
Count, Angus. Count. I can't. Count.
3.
Count, I can't. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Run. What? Fast. Shona corner. Fast. What?
Faster.
Kitchen. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It was not nice seeing him almost stating so crying, come over exercise or but I hope he was so hurry. Like mama one rather it's just that
Stop. Yeah, just stop Ganjan. Yes. 1, 2, what? 3, what? 4, what? 5, what? 6, what? 7, what?
Stop.
8.
Yeah.
I don't understand ukuthi akane kahle mele ababhuti bami babuye bahlale ekhaya or what because ngathi makukhuluma thina abafazi ayezwa but as kukhuluma amadoda ubonile like he didn't even hesitate ujampile and do that or maybe it was out of ukuthuka I don't know but I think sometimes ne voice eqinile iyafuneka when talking to umntwana
Yabona kubhlungu uma izinto ezirong usazophinda usondele mama
Sorry, Mama.
Mara how mameli akani you don't listen why
Ge mama ka ngaka ke fiti upset because of gale ke mtedla.
Sa tlhole ba stop o ba tlo ba eng a gola
Doctor.
see so ba doctors wa nge shapang banyana e kenang ko di toilet poporang banyana o ba tlo suna banyana kankane o shapa motho a ba tswa madi mo
Should na ma patient uzowafaka impaka
eh
Ke nagana gore ba nthusitse ko bana ke batlo ba good boy ko ntlong.
wa tseba ha o le doctor tshwantse o passe ka di high marks ko sekolong o shape di distinction o be number 1 di doctor ke di number 1 ko classing a student.
He's a student le today ha ke sitse le thotso ko kwa se ba tsholo re no ho ngwadiwa di ho tlo ba le di math
Yeah.
so ba re we gonna lose because of he's not there.
He's not there. You are an A student. You must behave like an A student.
Ke thola 100% everything. Ma report ka itla ke thola level 7 fela.
Yeah, ke feel relieved. I just hope he changes. As Naki Mutsubailungano ringing, he will always make a promise to you, but still change. But I hope what you guys showed him lessons maybe they would work out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ke nagana go mama ka ntse entse ka rat because of wangata.
Siyakuthanda omalume bayakuthanda ne?
Yep.
That's why sila because of siyakuthanda boy ne? Ngasaphinde uhluphe ne? Mina nomalume Orange sizofika ekseni la kusa. Sizokuvakashela thina yes
Sizoza ngetraka
so we
futhi.
make sure ukuthi awuyenzi lento otherwise sizokuthatha sikuse boot camp yes boot camp akudlalwa lapha yana umuntu uvuka ngo4 ekseni kamasa
Go ya pele ke tlo mamela dintho tse mama ka lanta ka ba reng ke dietse le ge o someone an qadile ke tlo paisa ko mema.
Mama msebetsa ko ntlong o batla etseng ko ntlong
A tlhatso dikotlolo
Yeah.
diteki tsa e kaofela di fail plus ke itsa ke mjotsa mabana rena o tla ditlhatswa ka nako ha maybe ha le tsama o tla ditlhatswa and then
wa hlanya gona go tlhatswa ka nako ya gago
aweze lawo mate
mama o salane bafulane ntsepo
aweza
le
mate
scoping brush la
Mama ka gare ke tlatse diteki gale ke itse akbatle ke tla di tlatsa ka naka ka because of gale go bata and metsi ga labata
Itlefa yenza so-ke yibo ubutlefa bokuqala ke lobu.
Yeah. Good boy.
Pure doctor. Doctor bapara diteki tse white. Le task coat tse white. Yeah, awona aba mahle kanjani. Good. Yeah.
Yeah. Hayi.
Qhubeka naye mama.
Sala washa amateki.
Arifa problem. Orbit.
Sizodila naye.
Udila naye.
Yeah.
Ngeke sokulwa kuye la.
Yeah, macala washicathulo ne. I saw the Akani that I know with that attitude you could tell just do it because you say I should do this. Yabona sebusweni bese aqala shintsha. About then yabona ukuthi this one uzo explode manje because I know him ukuthi he does explode. Mara ngabona futhi siyehlisa ukuthi uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle la ubaba bahambi. They are here for me. Then he continued. Yeah, then hopefully uzobaba right.
All right, Mocha Love Geleo, Channel 157, Mwana Twenya. The earlier the better, the later the worse. The cultural semanzi. This is Zulu Sonjalo. Martin Kelibuza Wabapambili. All right, Aguna flop bafwetu. It is Bonabanye. Newa kotu kuspalela. Complainani man nama problem. Se ozala posizo Caesar. Petin Jayami la umkondis. Zindala zombili bati kute manege. Yeah.